Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. In today's video, we will learn how to find minimum, maximum, average and percentage. To understand this better, we are taking an example of exam results. Let's suppose there are 10 persons, person A to person K, and there are 5 subjects, subject 1 to subject 5. We will find the minimum, maximum, and then average scoring, and then we will find the percentage of the marks obtained. Okay, so I'm taking the random figures here. I'm taking scores between 30 to 99. Okay, so these are the random values, and just for the better understanding for the minimum, like we want to find the minimum scoring of any person in subject 1, then subject 2, then subject 3, then subject 4, and then subject 5. And later on you can use the same way if you want to calculate the subject in which any specific person scored the minimum, maximum. Okay, the things will work the same. So first we will find the minimum, and the formula for minimum will be we will start it with equal to sign as obvious, and then we will type min. See, it's visible here now. Minimum min, it's showing. Now use the uh, tab key on the keyboard, and then what it is saying, number 1 comma number 2, then comma number 3, or all the values out of which you want to find the minimum. So we'll just select it with the mouse like this. Okay, b2 from b2 to b11. Okay, and then bracket close, and then he will hit enter. Okay, it's 38 here. So in these in subject 1, out of all the persons, 38 is the minimum value, and it belongs to the person C. Okay, now we will just copy it and paste in the cells. See, it's working. Huh? Now our second part is how to find maximum. Here we find the minimum, and we use the equal to min, and we will use the same way here, is equal to max, then tab, then we will select the reference values, and then we will close the bracket. It's 89. Maximum scoring in subject 1 is 89, and we will repeat the same procedure as we have done in minimum copy pasting. We will just select the cells where we want to paste it, and then just simply paste it. We can also use the control plus C command for copying the cell, and control V for the pasting. Okay, and now we will move to the third part, that's average. How will we calculate it? We will find the average of subject 1. The things will work the same, only the formula will change. What will be the formula for average? It's when you start typing after equal to sign, it will be visible here. Okay, and that's average. Just use the tab key and then select the reference cells, and then close the bracket. Here it is. Okay, now just copy it and paste in the cells where you want to paste it. Okay, now Here is also the average. We want to calculate of like person A, how much is the average score of that person. So we will use the same formula here. AV, see it's visible, and then we will use the key, tab key, and then select the cell references. It's done. Now copy it and paste it. Okay. Now we want to calculate the percentage, and what's the formula for percentage? That will be marks, obtained marks upon total maximum marks into 100. Okay, so first we have to find the total marks obtained, and it will be a simple uh, sum of all these scorings, all the subject scorings. Okay, and we have already mentioned how to do sum in the previous video. Here we will just use the shortcut key, and that will be alt plus equal to sign, and then hit enter. It's done. Okay, we will just hold it. Now just copy it and paste it. Now for the total maximum marks, we are taking the single subject maximum marks are as 100, and there are total 5 subjects. So we will do 100 into 5. That's 500. Just stretch it up to here, and it's done. Now we have the marks obtained and total marks. We can find the percentage here, and for the percentage we will use the formula. We will create a basic formula like we have done in addition. Okay, that will be equal to what we want. First we have to start the bracket as we are going to multiply it with 100. So first cell will be this one, G2, as this is the obtained marks by person A. Then divide it with the total maximum marks, that's 500, bracket close, and then multiply it with 100, and then hit the enter. So it's 48.6%. Okay, and if you want to show the percentage sign like this one here, then we have to delete this 100 multiplication with 100. We just simply have to calculate the total marks obtained upon total marks, and then on the same cell we will select percentage style. Click it, it's 49. And for accurate percentage, we can use the increase and decrease decimal signs here. So we will decrease it up to 2 decimal points. So it's done. Now just copy it and paste it up to where you want to enter the formula. So it's done. Now we have one other way to do this, that using the cell reference. And what is cell reference? We will discuss this in the next lecture. So we are just entering the formula here is equal to if we don't use this column, like if we are mentioning that total marks here as 500, we will use this cell instead of I. How will we do it? That will be equal to this upon this, and we will use a percentage sign here. Okay, now if we will stretch it, then there will be an error. It's due to the wrong cell references, and we will explain the cell reference in next lecture. So we will just correct this by using the dollar signs, by freezing the B15 cell. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so there are two ways to find the percentage. I hope you find this video helpful, and we have explained most everything about how to find minimum, maximum, average, and percentage Also, there is some reference of multiplication also in finding the total marks obtained, in finding the total marks, maximum marks. So there you have it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions regarding this video, previous video, or upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.